This is the big launch at the Maple Ridge Seniors Activity Center at 12150 224th Street, so come on down. We also have a Tinkerbell station here. Kat, you want to describe what that's all about?
Oh, it's a place to come and take things apart and not have to worry about how they go back together again.
All right, Sunny is our volunteer coordinator, and she's going to help me do the cutting. Okay. Oh, my name's Leanne. I work with Richmond House Recycling. 3, 2, 1.
You can tell she's a real cop.
Come on now.
In the valley on top of the hill, strangers ask, are you here still? My broken wheel, my aching back, by some abandoned railroad track. I was lost, a little too lost, not even sure what continent I was on. A little too long, I guess I put both feet wrong. I was lost. I buried my head in a magazine, remote yet at one with my screen. Lucky to have me one true friend, who I hope to see again. I was lost, a little too lost, not even sure what continent I was on. A little too long, I guess I put both feet wrong. I was lost. What a little luck, what a little luck can do. Even so, what a little luck can do. Even so, I was lost, a little too lost, not even sure what continent I was on. A little too long, I guess I put both feet wrong. I was lost. A raging torrent, a gentle stream, my eyes so tired I could not see. East from west or dew from frost, I took each step with fingers crossed. I was lost, a little too lost, not even sure what continent I was on. A little too long, I guess I put both feet wrong. I was lost. What a little luck, what a little luck can do. Even so, what a little luck can do. Even so, I was lost, a little too lost, not even sure what continent I was on. A little too long, I guess I put both feet wrong. I was lost, a little too lost, not even sure what continent I was on. A little too long, I guess I put